4 a.m. and I'm 100 miles from breakfast in Wyoming. I'm not complaining. I got the radio on, playing on a station from New Orleans. Now it's raining. I'm making time, trying to keep it rolling. I'm all alone.
Windshield wipers in the
I hear that country western music coming at me through the thunder, the flash of lightning. I hear the DJ saying, here's a little tune for all you truckers. I hope you like it. I'm getting tired. My eyes are feeling sandy, and I'm alone.
windshield wipers in the rain.
I hear a freight train coming down. I see the headlight flashing round. I feel an earthquake in the ground. And then he's gone. I'm alone. All alone.
Windshield wipers in the
I feel a cold Wyoming chill coming on me in the morning. I need some loving. I see a sign that says it's only 50 miles to where I'm going. I hope it's open. I look around, wishing you was with me.